Hey everyone, Brayton here, and I just want to give you a quick peek into the AR School platform. If you're wanting to level up as an adventure racer, maybe you're starting out in a sport, AR School is 100% for you. But if you're like me, I understand, I want to see what I'm buying, what am I paying for, what am I getting as a member? First off, when you come to the platform, you're going to see the discussion feed page. Upcoming events, trending posts, questions, conversations, things that are happening. And what I really love about it, there's no ads. It's very clean, very simple, very direct. You can find what you're looking for. Next up, we have our Ask the Experts section. So one of the key points about AR School is you're getting direct access to real adventure racers, podium finishing adventure racers. Some of these people are actually professional coaches even. So when you have a question and you want an answer for it, you can post it directly to this page. And what I love about this is you're going to get direct comments from Jesse Tubb, experts, Bend Racing, who really know what they're talking about, right? Next up, you're going to have live coaching calls. Once a month, we're doing live coaching calls. And these are going to be different than your normal podcast. These are going to be intense, content-rich, instructional calls. It's going to be deep dives in the topics that you really care about. And that'll be fresh every single month. And then last, but of course not least, the courses. Right now, there's 3 incredible courses in here, but we are rolling out courses every month, fresh content every month on topics that you really care about. Mountain biking, nutrition, paddling. You're going to learn it from the experts themselves. So if I'm looking here at Mark Lattanzi's course, there's 60 lessons, 2 hours worth of content on navigation, on working with maps.
So if I were given this map, the first thing I'm going to do...
As you can see, it's really good quality content. An incredible feature here on the platform is you can type questions directly on the video. So if you come across something you're still not sure about, you want a little more clarity, you can type a question in here. Mark Lattanzi will answer your question, or somebody who knows what they're talking about, an expert who knows what they're talking about. That's an incredible, powerful feature so that you can get the answers you need to go further, faster. That you find yourself in mid-pack when it comes to adventure racing, you're ready to break through in the next year. AR School is for you. If you're new to the sport, getting your feet wet, literally and metaphorically, AR School is also for you. There's so much content here. So last but not least, we have the members page. Here you can see everybody that is actually a member of AR School. And what's really cool about it is you can actually drill down to find out who's near you. You may or may not be forming your next winning adventure racing team using the AR School platform. That's just a peek at what's going on inside the AR School platform. Like I said, it's for you, and we cannot wait to see you in here.